That's just an educated guess, but my money says your dead body's right there in that van. Huh. Well, let's get her wrapped up. I'd give me a hand here, asshole. I used to love wrapping up these young honeys.
Yeah, I bet you did.
Yeah, it caught me a little bit of a feel every now and then, you know? Oh, look at that. It's kind of wet down there. What have you boys been doing with it? Okay, boys, there you go. That's it. You four eyes get a hold of it. Don't give me any crap, young lady. God damn it, I got just as much respect for a dead body as anybody around here. Don't break my legs. Don't break my stuff.
Put the legs.
Protect and serve. That's what we do.
That you did, sir.
Take a couple of deep breaths.
Please.
Now, what's wrong with your car?
There's nothing wrong with my car.
Whoa.
It's my friend, man. I don't know where he is anymore.
Somebody want to explain this? You kids taking drugs? No. I smell bullshit. Get out of the van! On your faces! All three! Get on the ground! Arizona. Colorado. Ass back in the dirt until I say otherwise. You girls better get yourselves under control or I'm gonna have to do it for you. I want to know exactly what happened inside that van. And now you're gonna show me. Is that where she was sitting? Well, maybe you ought to move a little more over to the middle. A little blood. Get the fuck over! So I need to get a distinct image. What'll she do next? Take the gun. Take the goddamn gun! Is that how she did it? She stuck the goddamn weapon into her mouth.
Please don't.
Boy, there you go. You ain't lying to me again, are you? No.
You okay?
You girls stay in the door. The fucker! Get the fucking floor! Hey, right now. Get out of here. He shoots me. You're accomplice to murder. Pull the fucking trigger! Well, we got ourselves a killer. You killed the sheriff. Get out of the van. Yeah, you got rights, okay. Skinner. Hell, I like Skinner. Oh, that was really rude, wasn't it? Look at that shit. We got something else in common now. Get on over to the damn Crawford Mill. Those two fellies are good to go. Get out of it. That's none of your goddamn business, faggot! You kids shouldn't have messed with that little girl.
Till you learn how to play by.
You're not going nowhere.
All the time he was.
I need to stop!
Look, your mama, she likes me.
People!
Nothing wrong with us.
Please!
Junior! Junior! Henrietta, get me my raincoat!
Thomason there?
He ain't here.
Now, I'm gonna have to apprehend him. I thought you might want to accompany me, help finesse the situation, as it were. Anyway, staying around this town, there's no more jobs, no more money, no more food. It's downright suicidal. Michigan next week. Shit, there he is. Jesus Christ.
I think we got... Shit, I just killed the whole fucking sheriff's department. Ladies love men in uniform. Just a matter of time now before this town's overrun by bikers and hippies. They sure as shit gonna remember what we do. Thanks to the good sheriff here, we ain't never gonna starve again. Sheriff Hoyt. You sit down and you stay right there. You kids okay? All right, you don't mind.
Sir.
Hey. Get on over here, boys. Damn it, get over here. Which one of you boys? Honey, your name. Well, hey, Dean. Good to meet you.
Shut up.
There's motorcycle, too. Would you want me to stick her? You wouldn't lie to me, would you, Dean? What's you kids here? Where was you stationed? You don't say. Even think about it, dear. Hey! You kids best not be making a mess in my car. You'll clean it up.
What? He knows you're not me. No, he doesn't, Dean.
Come on, Private.
People are gonna come looking for him. I know it. You have made a big mistake.
Nobody's gonna miss those creatures, not one person. Come on, Tommy. Ain't no different than the sea. Bone's bone. If you want to be a good farmer, you gotta... Clean goat is a happy goat. You happy yet? I got a hold out of you yet. Shame to your country, Dick. I can't make out a word you're saying, you know. Sir, please. No. It was my job. Your brother saved your life back in 1952. Korean War. Yours true. Prisoner of war for you, and I know what in the hell I'm talking about. You got captured, you had two choices. Starve to death or survive. Rations were scarce. So, well, about once a week, how would you like to just stand right up here today and just walk right on out of here? Yeah, well, freedom ain't free. Stand between you and freedom. First, no! You shut your cocksucker, you son of a bitch! Whoa, that was a really fine push-up there. One. You gonna be the motherfucker who eats? You're a useless goddamn generation. Only half of one, that don't count. Oh, Got more guts than I thought you had, boy. Free to go. Get out of my way. I ain't finished with you yet. Well, let's just go see if we caught anything. Something like this might happen. I love you. How many times I gotta tell you not to play with guns? Stop your damn whining, Uncle Monty. I was in here. Uncle Monty made a mess. Sheriff, who in the hell are you?
Where is she?
Tommy! Come on. Take it easy. There she is. Get him, Tommy! Come on, Tommy! Get over here! Crank it up! Yeah! Beautiful bastard, you! You son of a bitch! Come in my fucking house! Glad you brought your little buddy. I like your new face. Mama, please stop your damn bellyache. I love you. You know that, and I always do what's right by you, don't I? And you take care of me. Much. Uncle Monty, because he ain't gonna like this much, that's why. Surgery. Come on, Tom. Oh, bullshit. Look at that now. Even him up. There you go. Balance. I'll get Tommy to wrap this up. Throw on another plate for supper. You can stay. A little more garlic in this one.
Why are you doing this?
Amen. You blasphemous bitch! That's what this is! Oh, you're all gonna, and especially you. You know what, Mama? Who gives a shit?
Come on, Monty. I will not have you.
Take that one downstairs.
Tell them all what we've done.
Comes a time when every boy becomes a man. Sheriff. Fucker!